Yeah, Karro. We'll go and we'll take some banana. We'll see how he will act. I have this banana. And we need to release also Patagonian mouse because they are waiting near the... Yeah, Karro, he's so excited. He's overexcited. Yeah, he cannot, like a child, he cannot stop. He's baby. Yes, he's baby, Jafar. He's baby, you see? Now I'm opening banana. So, you see? Karro, do you love banana? He's tasting everything with his tongue. Is it good? Do you like it? It seems like yes, he loves.
Karro, yeah.
Karro, yeah. He loves banana, you see? Yeah, Karro. Karro, yes. Yeah, Jafar, yeah, exactly. Like, he is baby and he is like a baby.